In today's video, I'm going to teach you video editing tips. Specifically, we'll walk through how to deal with the CapCut watermark so your exports look clean and professional, using only the options built right into the app. First, here's the big picture. CapCut adds a watermark to exports when you're using the free version. The most reliable way to remove it completely is to use CapCut Pro, the paid plan. Once your Pro subscription is active, your projects export without a watermark by default. This is the simplest solution if you're editing regularly or delivering videos to clients, because you don't have to do anything extra each time you export. Just edit as usual, tap export, choose your settings, and your video will render clean. If you still see a watermark after upgrading, double check that your subscription is active in the app and that you're logged in on the same account you used to upgrade. Now, there's a quick fix that works in many cases, even on the free version. Sometimes the only watermark you're seeing comes from CapCut's default ending clip, that little branded outro the app places at the very end of the timeline. If that's what you're noticing, simply remove that ending clip before you export. To do this, scrub to the end of your timeline and look for a short clip that doesn't match your footage. Tap to select it, then delete it using the trash icon. It should disappear from the timeline instantly. Before you export, give your project a quick preview from the last few seconds back to the beginning. You're checking two things: that the ending clip is truly gone and that there isn't a watermark baked into the main part of your video. If your preview is clean, you're good to export. If you still spot a watermark on the main footage, that indicates it's being applied by the free version across the export, and upgrading to CapCut Pro is the solution. A couple of practical tips to keep your workflow smooth. Make it a habit to glance at the end of your timeline for the default outro anytime you start a new project or use templates. After deleting it, preview once more right at the end to confirm the cut feels natural and doesn't clip your audio or transitions. And when you export, choose your usual resolution and frame rate, then let the render finish before sharing or posting. That's it. Use CapCut Pro for watermark-free exports every time, or remove the default ending clip if the watermark only appears there. Follow these steps and your videos will export clean and ready to share.